All right, you guys. So today we're going to be talking about factor pairs. And we're going to be looking at factor pairs and factors. So you might have heard of factors or factor pairs in third grade, but they are just two numbers you multiply to get a product. All right. So any two numbers you multiply to get that answer is a factor, or you can call factor pairs if they're paired up into two numbers. So we're going to watch a quick video about finding factor pairs using graphs.
Pairs of a number. Think about this question during the lesson. The music director is trying to find the best way to arrange the chairs for a performance. The chairs must be arranged in a rectangular array. How many different ways can the chairs be arranged into a rectangular array? Use grids to show all the ways the chairs can be arranged.
So we're using the number 12 to find the factors.
The problem states that the chairs must be arranged in a rectangular array. This means that there must be the same number of chairs in each row. Pairs of numbers multiplied together to find a product are called factor pairs.
You see that?
Think about
So this is factor pairs.
to decompose a number into its factors. How is a rectangular array of 12 chairs related to factors of 12? In a rectangular array of 12 chairs, the number of rows and the number of chairs in each row are factors of 12.
Here's our graph, you guys, we're going to be looking at.
You can make one row of 12 chairs, or 12 rows of one chair. 1 and 12 are factor pairs.
See, 1 and 12, or 12 and 1, they're factor
Is it
pairs.
always possible to make arrays with one row? Is it always possible to make arrays with one item in each row?
This is a perfect place to pause and think about how you would solve this question.
Yes, no matter how many items there are, you can always put them in one row.
You can always put them in one row, you guys.
You can also make 2 rows of 6 chairs, or 6 rows of 2 chairs. 2 and 6 are factor pairs.
2 and 6 or 6 and 2 are all factor pairs. So we're going to look at,
no, it is not.
Now let's think, can I do, we said for 12, we said 1 and 12. It's like 1 times 12. Then we said 2 times 6. What else can I multiply? What two numbers can I multiply to get 12? There's one last one we can multiply. Great, 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12 also. So we're going to look back at the video and you're going to see how she uses 3 times 4. Let's see.
You can make 3 rows of 4 chairs, or 4 rows of 3 chairs. 3 and 4 are factor pairs.
Good. See, 3 and 4 are factor pairs, or 4 and 3.
Is it possible to make an array with 5 rows using 12 chairs?
So now we're gonna look at another number and find the factors of another number. So the number we're gonna look at is 16. And so when I look and find my factor pairs of these numbers, I automatically think about, what's the easiest two numbers I can multiply to get any product? And that's 1 in itself. So 1 times 16 automatically is a factor pair. 1 times anything is the same number. That's something you guys should already know. So 1 times 16, and then I know I'm going to go with 2 next. So I know 2 times, all right, 2 times what equals 16? Great, 2 times 8 equals 16. So I know 2 times 8 is another factor pair. And so now I'm thinking of another factor pair. Can I do 3 times anything? No, because 3 times nothing gives you 16. So then what's after 3? 4. So think about it. Can 4 times anything equal 16? Good, 4 times 4. All right, so after that, you realize there's no more factor pairs. These are all the ones that are equal to 16. And so there are 1, 2, 3 pairs. And these are all the factor pairs of 16. All right, we're going to do one more. We're going to look at 20. All right, we're going to think about what are the factor pairs for the number 20. So we automatically know 1 times 20, just like in the video when she showed that you can always do one row in your grid. So 1 times 20. Now we're going to go to 2. What two numbers can multiply to get 20? Great. 2 times 10. All right, and then after 2 times 10, think about 3. Can I do 3 times anything to equal 20? Good job. You cannot do anything times 3. So then we're going to go to 4. 4 times what equals 20? Great. 4 times 5. All right. And then I'm thinking, can anything else equal to 20? 6 times something? 7, 8, 9. We can stop right there. No, we cannot. So we know these are our factor pairs to the number 20. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3 pairs. So this is all about factor pairs today. Tomorrow we're going to extend it in finding factors of a number as well tomorrow. So you guys did an excellent job of finding our factor pairs today.